Welcome to the AP Stats Quideo 5 Advanced Problem by Peyton Wood. If there is no seasonal effect on human births, we would expect an equal number of children to be born in each season, winter, spring, summer, and fall. A student takes a census of her statistics class and finds that of 120 students in the class, 25 were born in winter, 35 in spring, 32 in summer, and 28 in fall. She wonders if the excess in the spring is an indication that births are not uniform throughout the year. A. What are the null and alternative hypotheses associated with the question? The null hypothesis is that there is no association between birth rate and season, while the alternative is that there is an association between birth rate and season. B. Compute the chi-squared statistic. Here's a chart that shows the observed values and our expected values for birth rate by season. As we know, the chi-squared equation is chi-squared equals the sum of all observed minus expected squared over expected. Skipping a few steps involving basic arithmetic, I have solved for the chi-square by hand below and is equal to 1.93 repeating. C. How many degrees of freedom does the chi-squared have? In this case, there's 3 degrees of freedom. That is because there's 4 categories: winter, summer, spring, and fall, and we always do categories minus 1 to find degrees of freedom. D. What do you conclude about the null hypothesis at alpha equals 0.05? Well, to conclude anything, we will need to compare this alpha to a p-value. We have 2 ways of doing this. 1. Looking at table E using our chi-squares of 1.93 repeating at 3 degrees of freedom, we find it's greater than 0.25, and the calculator shows it's equal to exactly 0.586358. Upon comparing the p-value to our alpha value, we fail to reject the null hypothesis at an alpha level of 0.05 because of a higher p-value of 0.59. We therefore find no evidence of association between season and birth rate. Here's shown all the answers for parts A, B, C, and D. In case you wanted a summary of all that. Thank you for watching this video. Check out the basic and AP problems.
Created using Powtoon.